And Kaylin and Jerome changing her outfit. And this is her day, a very special day for her baptism.
That is not opening everything. Ready? You are lady all the way.
There's lady for the day. Hi there.
Don't give this to me. I'm not assigned to take it to the garbage yet.
There she is.
I want to make sure it wasn't tied on her. Oh boy. Kinda.
¿Es el fondo?
Yeah, it's in fondo. And
Oh, cute. Look at that. She is so still, Dave. Look at how she is. If that's me, she will turn all over the place.
oh, you know how to behave.
She is well behaved. Look at that sweet girl. Yeah, actually, it's her baptism and her combination with her adoption finalization that got finalized. So this is a very significant day for her.
This is the way to thank God.
We-
That's the special way.
Yeah.
Well, I'm ready to sit down. Ready to.
Oh my goodness. You can sit there. You guys can sit there.
I think you're gonna put them on for me.
There goes
Why not?
Kaylin having her shoes on with
I don't think
very loving. Oh my god, the battery is getting weak. I have to ask my husband to check. This is the day of Kaylin's christening. And they're having fun.
Thank you for the dollars, Abby. Thank you.
And there is Graciela.
Found it. I thought if you found it, you can keep it. Isn't that how you find it? You can keep it.
There we go. That's Kaylin
Isn't that how it
and
works?
her godmother, Graciela. It's like a sister to me. Hi, Kaylin. Hi, sweetie.
Please what?
Hi, Sochi.
What?
Hi there.
Give me it
That's
back.
cute.
No, don't kick. That is not very nice.
Give me it
Are
back.
you out?
Okay, I'll give it back.
$3.
Yeah. Look at that big fat belly. It's so cute. Look at that
Sachin,
belly.
would you say,
Hello.
Sachin, would you like to catch the board leaving?
Hello.
Look at that cute belly.